So what if I told you that you could create a fully automated sales funnel for free and start building your email list and selling your products today? So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a simple sales funnel to get your first 500 email subscribers, all without spending a single dime. And the best part, you really only need 2 tools to make this happen. So if you like the sound of that, then please do keep watching. Hey guys, my name is Dawn Marie and I'm here on YouTube documenting my own journey of starting a digital product business from scratch, mainly ebooks and templates. And I'm taking you along with me, showing you behind the scenes of what that looks like. I also share what's working for me that maybe you can try in your own business to sell your own digital info products. Plus, I break down my marketing strategies to give you helpful tips and ideas. So if you'd like to join me, then I hope you'll stick around and consider subscribing to the channel. Now, before we dive in to this video, I do have something that's going to make your journey much more easier, and that's my free 10-day action plan to launching and selling your own digital info products. That's going to give you a focused plan to getting started with your business. It's free to access, and I've already put the link in the description box below. Now, there aren't many tools out there that will let you build a sales funnel for free. In fact, most platforms, they offer free trials, but then require you to upgrade to a paid plan. And that's where Aweber comes in. They have a free forever software that you can use to build your sales funnel and get your first 500 email subscribers. And then once you've hit that milestone, you've likely earned enough from that funnel to upgrade to a paid version if needed. Now, I do want to say that I am based in the UK and I have access to this free forever plan. And I'm not sure whether it is country specific, but you can use my link to check it out whether or not it can work for you. And the link that I share is an affiliate link. So if you do decide to upgrade to Aweber in the future, Aweber rewards me with a small commission, which is like a thank you for referring you to them. Now, of course, this is at no extra cost to you. And also this video isn't sponsored, but I have just been using Aweber for over 8 years now, and I love the platform and I'm sharing it with you because it has helped me in my business and I know that it can work for you. So what exactly do you need to do to make this sales funnel work? So you're definitely going to want a landing page, which is a single web page that's designed to capture your visitors' email address and their contact details. On this page, you could also capture the visitor's name, but you want to keep in mind that the more details you request from the visitor, the lower your page will convert. So I would only recommend asking for the name and email address. And then once someone lands on your page, you also want to offer something for free. So you might refer to this as your freebie, your bait, or your lead magnet, whatever you call it. This is something you give away for free in exchange for their contact details. So that could be like a guide, it could be a checklist or a worksheet. That could really work well if your intention is to sell an ebook. So for example, let's say that your ebook is all about productivity tips. Then your lead magnet or freebie could be a free guide on creating a daily schedule or a checklist of productivity tools. So the goal here is really to make the lead magnet so valuable that your audience wants to opt in for that. And once they've signed up for your free thing, you'll then need an email sequence to nurture your subscribers and prepare them for the product offer that you are going to sell. So in this case, we are using an ebook as the product, but if you have a course or a membership, that's also fine. And then you can finally add a checkout page or the payment processor. So this is where people actually make the purchase. They enter their cart details so they can actually pay you and you can deliver the product to them. And for this payment processor, I'm going to recommend Stripe. Now they provide a free checkout page, which makes it perfect for this type of setup. Now, the type of sales funnel that I'm going to be sharing and I'm going to be building today is pretty straightforward, right? So here is how it works. This is the journey. So someone is going to opt in to your landing page to receive your free offer, which you have promoted maybe via social media. Then you can talk to them through a series of automated emails. So Aweber will send that. And then in those emails, you can then introduce them to your ebook and direct them to your Stripe checkout page to make the purchase. So this is a simple, beginner-friendly setup, and it's all you need right now to get started building your email list and making those sales. And then once you've mastered this, you can experiment with more complex funnels that include upsells, downsells, order bumps. Okay, so let's get started by setting up your accounts. First, you want to create a free account with Aweber and Stripe. So I went ahead and went to aweber.com. You should come to a page like this, but if not, just make sure and look for the sign up link. So when you click on that sign up link, it will say that you can get started with Aweber today, and you enter your name, your last name, and your email address. You can also go to stripe.com and set up your account here. What you're going to do is, if you enter a page like this, just enter your email address here and then click Start Now. It will take you to a dashboard where you will have to register your details by entering your name, email address, and so on, and just go through the process to complete the setup of your payment processing account. Now, once you have created your Stripe account, we are going to move on to creating your product. So you want to head over to your Stripe dashboard, and then we're going to go to Payments on the left-hand side, and let's click on Payment Links. Then let's click on New. And here we are going to add a new product. Let's create a new product. Then you enter the description. And you can upload an image of the product. Because we're going to make this a one-off purchase, we're going to click on the one-off button. I am here in the UK, so it has defaulted to the Great British Pound currency, but you can always change the currency that you want here. Let's enter the price and let's click on Add Product. Now what we can do is we can use the options section to include any additional features that you want to include, as well as the advanced options section to include any additional details that you want to as well. So for example, if you want to add promotional codes, you can do that here. But one of the things that's most important is that we need to update the after payment page. So I would recommend that you replace the default with custom message. And you can add your custom message here, but this is where you are going to include the link to your digital product so that when the person completes the purchase, they will go to the custom page where you can include your link. So let's say, for example, you enter, "Thank you for your purchase. Please find the link to download here." And then you click Create Link. Now, once you have created your payment link, you will find the link here, and this is the link that you would need to keep a note of because it's what we are going to include in our funnel. Next, we're going to create your landing page in Aweber. So a landing page, that is essential because it lets you tell your visitors more about your free offer. You could have a headline, you could have a subject line or the subheadline. You can outline the benefits and features of the free offer, and then you can have an opt-in form to collect email addresses. So we're in Aweber and we're going to create a landing page by going to Pages and Forms. Let's go to Landing Pages and then create a landing page. Now Aweber has several templates that you can go through and select the one which you think is best for you. Remember, the landing page is the one where someone is going to opt in for your free thing. So in this case, I'm going to create a checklist offer. This is actually the page that I want to design so that I can customize it to my free thing. You can swap out the logos here. On this page, you can pretty much customize it the way you want. So if you want to change the name of your freebie, you can customize it that way. If you want to add an image, so let's say you don't want this image here, I'm going to delete this section. Then I can simply drag the element from on the left-hand side onto my canvas and click to edit, and you can upload your own image there. So this page is very easy for you to customize by simply using the elements on the left-hand side and pretty much dragging and dropping it where you want it to do so, and then you can customize the text where you want. You also want to make sure that you are adding a form to this landing page because this is how people are going to opt in to your email list. so they can enter their name and email address here. For the form, you can see that it is download. It is below here, so you can simply drag again and drop the form wherever you want it to go. Let's save and exit. Now you will notice the status as unpublished. You want to publish the page using this icon. And here is the link that you will share so that people can get access to your landing page. Now, once you have your opt-in landing page, it's time to set up your email sequence. So this is where you nurture your new subscribers and you guide them toward purchasing your ebook. Now, once you're inside Aweber, you can create an automation that sends a welcome email as soon as someone opts in. So from your dashboard, you can either activate the welcome template that Aweber has already provided to you, or you can go to automation and click campaigns and you will come to this template here. So let's click on that to edit it. So this automation is meant to send to your subscribers the free resource that they are opting in from the landing page that you created, and it's there to introduce you to them, so you can also schedule follow-up emails over the next few days to build trust, to share tips, and then finally pitch your ebook. So to do that, you can click on the first email. What that will do is you can click here to edit that email, and the first email is where you are going to give away or link to your free thing. Once you have edited the content, click on save and exit, and then you can see you can wait 1 day before performing the next action. So you can drag send message and then drop it here. That's how you get this email here. Then you can create your message using the drag and drop editor, and you continue to do so that you can continue to nurture your email list. Let's say, for example, that you have a 10 email sequence. So I'm going to wait 1 day before proceeding to the next section. I'm going to continue adding emails using the elements over here. Then the last day is where you can enter the link to your ebook so that they can make a purchase. So here is where you can edit the content, and then you can embed the Stripe link that we got from here. The Stripe link here. We can go back to our message, click buy now, and then add the URL here so that when someone clicks on that link, it goes over to the Stripe checkout page. Make sure to save and exit your automation. And once you have completed the automation, you will see that the status is draft. You just simply click activate. And this is now active so that when people opt in, this is the first email sequence that they would come to. Now, of course, there are many other things that you can do with Aweber. Aweber also has a help section. So if ever you do get stuck with anything, they offer video tutorials to help you improve the way that you build your landing pages and create those automations. And there you go, friends. You have now created a fully automated sales funnel using Aweber and Stripe, all without spending a single cent. So this system is absolutely perfect for beginners who want to build their email list and start making sales without investing in expensive software upfront. But as you then grow, you can then continue to use Aweber and upgrade to their pay plans to help you build your list even further. And if you'd like more guidance on creating and launching your ebook or your digital info product, then don't forget to get access to my 10-day action plan using the link in the description box below. Everything that I've shared here is outlined in the action plan, so at least you have a helpful guide that will take you through this step by step to start selling your digital info products. Thanks so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, then be sure to like the video, subscribe to my channel for more tips on selling digital info products, and also let me know in the comments if you're planning to try this sales funnel setup. I'd love to hear how it works for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.